Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. You get to learn something in every video. Similarly in this video also you will get to learn. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. As soon as he subscribes 10k. Today we will trade in Australian dollar versus US dollar, where we will apply trade by combining two strategies and try to profit. I have deposited $2,800 in this account, which we will grow the account with proper risk management and proper analysis. We will apply trade first because the market is in the right place. Here I will use 0.50 lot size, which we have already calculated. See you in a while. Guys, we've got to see straight losses. We have already calculated how much loss we will have. That won't bother us because when you know your loss and profit before taking the trade, so you will never close your trade in fear. As soon as you close before the trade stop loss is hit because of fear, shortly after that the market will hit your target. Your psychology and risk management both were not correct there. That's why you closed the trade before the stop loss was hit and shortly after the target was hit. Here the market was running down in the last 6 to 7 days, which we can call temporary downtrend. You will see proper lower low lower high at the place. But here the real trend of the market is the uptrend, in which you will get proper higher high higher low points. That's why we have also placed trade in the direction of uptrend, from which we have high chances of profit, where we can make good profit here with proper analysis. I will explain how the pattern is being formed in the market, making it easier for you to learn, and you can also apply this strategy in your setup, which will definitely benefit you. Let's first create an uptrend channel from which we will get the higher high higher low points of the uptrend. This will clearly show our uptrend. For this we will take trendline and put it on higher low because the market is going up again and again by making this trendline a support. Even now the market is moving upwards, taking support of this trendline. Now take the second trendline and apply it at the higher high point with the same angle. This trendline is acting as resistance in the market. We have seen reversals in the market whenever the market has come near this trendline, which has also created good opportunities. Our trend channel is working perfect in the market. We've just opened time frame for 30 minutes because the levels in the market are far apart, due to which analysis has to be done on time frame for 30 minutes. I find the best 15-minute time frame. Guys, the pattern is visible here that points us upward. Whenever this pattern is formed, 80 to 90% of the market follows the pattern. Let me draw and tell you. For this we will take arrow line. The market come down here where it took support. Went up taking support here, but took resistance there due to hidden resistance level above. Come down again from above and come down and took support because there was a strong trend line. Here the trend line took support and went up where our previous resistance level was. Come down from here where there was a small support level. Now here you are seeing the pattern which we call the head and shoulder pattern, which works to change the trend. Right now our temporary trend was downtrend, but after this pattern it will uptrend. This is the left shoulder of the market pattern where the feet went up with the support of the market. This is the head where the market took support of the trend line and went up. And this point is the right shoulder where the market took support at the support resistance level and going up. This pattern is acting as a trend reversal in the market because such patterns are high probability pattern. Where we can trade, you will always find such patterns near trend lines or strong support resistance level, which we can already predict which pattern will be formed here, but always apply the trade only after the formation of the pattern, because anything can happen in the market. If you take a trade before the pattern is formed, then there will be another pattern, due to which your trade can also go in loss. Let's make the supply demand level now, by which the support resistance point of the market will be known. From it we can easily find where will the market take support and resistance. For that I am using rectangle tool and will draw it on this level, because here we are getting to see multiple reverse points, due to which the market is repeatedly reversing at this level. Here the market took resistance and went down at this place. The market took the first resistance in the trend channel. At this point the market has taken support by breaking the resistance, and we see a nice move to the upside. Again the market took support at the same place and went up about 70 pips, who has taken a good move here too. Here the market has taken multiple support, which has created a reversal candle. Broke this support and took resistance here at the same level, and the market went down to the trend line. The market broke the strong support resistance level here and is retesting and going up. Market will go up from here as the pattern is formed here. Next we can see a good move. If the market moves according to our setup, we will make a good profit. Here we have got a good opportunity by trading only 3 places in the market. We can increase the winning percentage: first breakout, second retracement, and third reversal. By trading at these places, you can easily grow your account. Let's guys till here our analysis is complete now and you are seeing another trend channel here, which is temporary downtrend. We can call this another trend within the trend. We'll make trend channel for this also. For this we are again taking the trend line, put it above the downtrend. This trend line is acting as resistance. Take another trend line and place it on the lower point of the downtrend with the same angle. It is acting as a trend line support. Now all our analysis is complete here. Helicopter strategy is being applied. For those who do not know the helicopter strategy, let me tell that here you see a structure like a helicopter landing where the helicopter lands. Right now the same pattern has been created in the market, what we call helicopter strategy. If you want to see more helicopter strategy videos, then you can check the playlist of the channel. Here the market will break this trend line and go up because the market has taken support from both the trend lines below, or downtrend channel breakout and uptrend channel retracement will be seen. Now let's put stop loss and target so that we can follow our rules properly and it will be easy to manage the trade as well, by which we will try to reach the target easily. Here my stop loss will be at the strong support resistance level candlestick pattern and below the uptrend line, which will be 49 pips below our trade. If market gives up trend line breakout, then our stop loss will be hit. And my target point will be 98 pips up where we can see a good move to the upside. This target is well above our trade, may have to wait a long time. Guys, my 104 pips profit is running now. We will increase it further as the market will go up. Our profit will also increase here. We are growing our account according to my risk. You can also grow a small account according to your risk. Our stop loss and target are well placed. Along with this our profit has also increased. Now all our work is complete. We have done proper analysis in the market. If the market goes according to our setup, then we will get a good profit. Here we have applied trade by combining two strategies, which is helicopter strategy and candlestick pattern strategy. If you combine two strategies, out of them comes a powerful strategy whose winning rate is high. We also worked on the same strategy, the result of which you can see after some time. Let's meet guys after some time and see what reward the market gives us today. Enjoy the video while we analyze.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient.
Guys, such a sight is sometimes seen. It takes a lot of patience. We have to be patient till our target is hit. The market respected our setup and hit our target, due to which we can achieve our goal. The market moved as we draw the levels for this. We also respect the market. It took 1 day and 13 hours to hit our target, what we've waited for. Finally our target is hit, which we expected from the market. We had applied a trade at this place, after which the market did a lot of consolidation, for which we are getting to see up down move at the same zone. The market has taken multiple support where we have drawn strong support resistance level. Target point was over here that got hit. With this our goal was also achieved. We did the analysis in the right direction, so the spring also went in the same direction. Now we should close the trade. Our goal was only till this. Guys, we are making a profit of $5,217, which is the result of our patience. We have been very patient. The market has rewarded it. You too can achieve such profits only with patience. See you after closing the trade.
You just gotta wanna keep chasing, put you everything you're facing, keep up with the pace.
We had this account of $2,800, which we changed to $8,520. Here we used proper risk management, where we already knew our loss. Psychology has also played an important role here, which we followed properly and grow the account. From where we took the trade, the market has moved till here, which was a good move. In such move market we see breakout, retracement and reversal, where the market goes straight in the direction it has to go. Now let us do a little further analysis from which it will be known how the market will react in future. I removed this arrow line so that the chart is clearly visible here. The market is making red candle, which shows that there will definitely be a strong support resistance level here too, due to which the market is making a reverse candle here. For this I am taking a rectangle tool and will draw it here, because here also the market has taken multiple support and multiple resistance. This is also a strong support resistance level of the market. You also have to find such level and practice on it. Here we took a trade by combining two strategies whose result is in front of you. You do not have to apply any rocket science to profit in the market. Just the setup you made. Make him retesting that setup at least 100 times so that its result will be revealed to you. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share the video as much as you can. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.